Electra Sales here. Today I wanted to bring you a quick video showing you how to log into the Lutron website to access the LCI online web-based home learning. So what you need to do is first open up your internet search browser, and then from there you'll be able to go to the URL section at the top of the page and type in www.lutron.com, and then that's going to bring us to the Lutron homepage. From there, you'll see at the top of the page it says register or log into my Lutron. We're just going to go ahead and click on that tile there, and that's going to bring us to the sign-in page. Now, essentially, if you're already an existing Lutron customer and you have registered for a My Lutron account, this is where you would enter your email sign-in information. Otherwise, if you're new to the My Lutron website, you'll be able to create an account with the icon below. So essentially, for the sake of this video, I've already got that set up and ready to go. I'll have to enter my password here. And once we log into the sign-in page, it's going to bring us to what we call the dashboard hub. So essentially, the dashboard hub, if you're already an existing Lutron customer, this would be the area where you would find things like my orders, my projects. But for the sake of this video, this is a new account, so nothing is currently set up. You'll see over on the right-hand side, it says Lutron websites. You can find the luxury website, the fabrics website, as well as the LCI online. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. And that'll basically bring us to a new page that's going to ask us to select our region before we can enter the LCI online homepage. So I'll just select the region that we are taking the training in. And basically, this is going to open up the LCI homepage, which is kind of your hub for all of the lighting control training that you need. You can see here, there's a little icon that says take a tour. It will populate a little quick YouTube video that'll help you better navigate this web page. But at the top here, you can see things like the home screen, my training, content overview, and popular programs. I personally like to take the popular programs, and I also go into content overview, and in content overview you'll find things like web-based training, instructor-led training, or learning plans. Personally, I like the learning plans because, as you'll see on this page, it does a very good job of grouping everything for that product type together. So basically, when you click into the learning plans, you'll see the instructions at the top of the screen here. You basically need to click the little green cross symbol, and that'll essentially register your account for that training plan. Once you've registered for the training plan, you'll be able to select the little plus icon, which will bring you to the drop-down menu. So you can see here, one of the ones I haven't selected on this test account is Radio Raw 2 Level 1 Online Training. So I'll just go ahead and click register for that. What it's going to do is basically refresh the web page, and will show you that you are now registered for that product type. And then you can go ahead and click the drop-down menu, and here you'll see the various training courses that you would need to take to get yourself up to speed on this product type. Please keep in mind, some of these courses are optional. However, we do encourage you to take them to better help understand the product, as well as be able to sell the product better. If you have any questions about how to log into the Lutron LCI webpage, or any concerns regarding your login, please contact any one of us at Electra Sales, and we'll be more than happy to help. If you're new to our channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. And if you do subscribe, make sure you click that little notification bell so you get notified when we upload more content. Once again, thank you for taking time out of your day to view this video, and I hope you have a great day.